Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress. For this, go to Dashboard, click on Appearance tab, and choose Menu. Now type the name of your menu here. In menu setting, you have 4 locations to display your menu. I myself choose Main and Footer. Then I click on Create Menu. Here in the left side, you see menu items that you can use, like pages, posts, categories, and more. I just want to use pages, so just let's click on View All and choose these pages. Finally, click on Add to Menu and save your menu. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on bell icon.